not allow it. We will expose him. And me baby go through contracting. Where you just contractor onyaye ewo energy ministry in a space of just 6 years. Now me baby shas here contract a big kind. Yeah, demand 2017 to supply 150 watt LED street lights complete with arms, boots, nuts and washers. Yeah, demand 2017 CKPM 100,260,000 Ghana cedis. Contractor Tosumidu and yeah demand 2018 so supply conductors and pole top accessories and no CKPM 54,260,800 Ghana cedis and no yeah demand 2018 now so contractor Tosumiensa yeah can someone supply a pole top accessories and no CKPM 20,424,250 Ghana cedis. And also 2018 contractor also 4 you can so supply air conductors in 2018 CKPM 22,018,000 Ghana cedis. 2018 contractor also 5 or supply air steel posts and CKPM 23,236,000 Ghana cedis. Contractor also 6 and also you can so supply air conductors in 2018 and Usika APM 71,383,200 Ghana cedis. Contractor at also 7 and or supply a LED bulbs and 2018 no nyasa contract no Sika APM 47,936,000 Ghana cedis. Contractor at also 8 and no supply conductors and no 2019 year the contract in a man CKPM 22,400,000 Ghana cedis. Contractor at also a year 10 contractor at also 9 rather and no supply a year electrical materials Sika APM 33,778,000 and no contract no in 2020. Contract at also 10 supply of electrical materials beam and no in 2020 different companies no did you and no CKPM 30,483,300 Ghana cedis. In 2020 now, so the Simon contracts I also 11 our supply electrical materials and also different companies no use here. CKPM 26,302,800 Ghana cedis. 2020 now contract also 12 or supply another electrical materials with different company. CKPM 25,219,200 Ghana cedis in 2020. Contractor also 13 and also supply electrical materials and also different company no use here. Sika APM 40,273,400 Ghana cedis. Contractor also 14 supply of electrical materials 25 square meter PVC AL conductor and no CKPM 40,720,000 Ghana cedis. Contract also 15 supply of electrical materials and no way a company Mina Dro Ventures Sika APM 42,935,380 Ghana cedis. Contract also 16 supply of electrical materials company with cat case was limited were used to pay and also CKPM 47,202,856 Ghana cedis. Contractor at also 17 and no yeah demand 2020 and also supply electrical materials CKPM 42,825,404 Ghana cedis. Contract at also 18 and also supply street lights 150 megawatts. Sika APM 19,939,200 Ghana cedis and yeah demand 2022 no contract means happen onyawa 19th contract and no supply street lights and no you see different companies KPM SI 19,897,680 Ghana cedis in 2022. Contract at also 20 and no supply LED street lights 150 megawatts and no you see different company Sika APM 19,903 1,480 Ghana cedis in 2022. So total 20 companies contracting. Okay, Kasika APM Ebomam. 751,380,958 Ghana cedis nipa bakope on any yere NNMA. And on when we know where Channel, ye did say a kufuado appointees and a neglected grassroots for them. One and a minister or appointee or CEO when you are even 1% of this. Meanwhile, I attack you my own incited grassroots against they use their meager salaries. Salary almost a month salary to 30,000 Ghana cedis. And no more they share grassroots for no. When I see Kachichi be away, and they are part of the cast, CC are dying, and the girls, we are trying home be blaming other people. You see, you up our own cost on your side, politics, we will expose him, I will bring the rest. And I must say.
Abusian for some Ghana for some more. Some when you are more TV. You can't see my anchor. Some more TV. You can't see my anchor. Some when you are more TV. Aha. What is the Japan kwa? Unyaye. Nene. Oh dear. As I'm now na yemesere. But I'm in fan chamado for some who should be more quaba. Mimi agyapong Ivan Jaben me ma kwa papa e na me ma me stake ba di ma me chiao ai be chache mu nyina dofo me so say like video na share na comment ma me won subscribe yen so a se de wa wonim no me se wa se ba modern subscribe na be ka abusia kuo no ho abusia me believe say me sound no here mi anom sika ya ye bold ni enye sika kituo onti sika na ye bodini no enye sika keto o ba me first ka no to na hwebi enipa ba akopɛ enipa da ebeduru se o free me da asemi agyapong da osi onko parliament biem ne constituency kura wantumi ammɔ ho ban amfa ma party no ono nko a when you contract onya ayewo nyeni nyina ne o we just ECG for aside nko a sika papa ni dwiri free ho en na ye ka kire we 751,388,958 Ghana cedis. Sa sika we memeti ye miya masheme Sanipa way. Onu tumbe kachiro se ampipi amanyo ampipi mpan for eye nipa boni omo ahwe grassroots. Kona kobisa chairman abronye from the Bono region say sika we aye boy onya contractor ne eye even quarter of this. Napo ankasa Monko bisa na pose ono ankasa contract se na nsaka ye. Monko nanko bisa the general secretary of the party. Miwia your friend say ahonhom monipa. Ai the spiritual realm enipa. Monko bisa no so contract no say na onya ye. Monko nanko bisa Mr. Intim Fojo the chairman of the party say na onya ye sika we nyina just one sector of government and na Canada Japan kwa nsa kan say sika we nyina ye nya matoli sector o e ma me da na pia me akwa tourism sector okodwa na nu e de koje contract ma ne ba no ye nya ma ho na wo grassroots na me Kofi Frank me akwaba ote ho a wa ma ye de na da dadaw ye di ntro ye twegu asum na wo mpeso obetie. The reality is out now. Ohene Canada Japan kwa banchi wura kobi wura aprobe haban wura bamboo sticks wura any center of the world niwura I Cape Coast Castle restaurant, historical restaurant wura ni sika onya ye ni nyina no eye na nado danko akufo ado aban any J kufo na ama na nya sika a businessman na usika wonya nyina je sa aban mu na wonya no na wo sa nipa kro ya wotimi kondanda wo ho esan ba be ka kire party fo no say omo ahwe grassroots na asemu abro nye Canada bia o say yen ko the Canada Japan constituency ne nko bisa ne say the constituency na omo wo ho no enipa dodo say ena ono kwabena Japan oma omo adwuma ye in his time obeko ho hwe yesi ne constituency onipa 6 pe ena ofo omo adwuma the constituency ono enipa nsia pe ena ofo omo adwuma but no ka kiro say obema Ghana fo nkura maburu nyina adwuma ye na nano na oka asem bi osi wakwa kosi steel plant na steel plant na okosi wie ye no wasi awie no ontumi mmia no adentia yese electricity cables na eba ho no entumi support the kilowatt ono hia ansana watimi dia power ne engines na me businessman no o ye business assessment o nya wa ho mesi papa wo ya ban ho na odidi MPP amanyoko ho na odidi eho na odi anya ne ho eho na odi aye ne ho eho na odi asepe ne ho eho na odi aye ni bari ma osho kasa ma obi nka bi senya MPP amanyoko a nka papa wo yi onye nipa bia wo man no mu senya MPP amanyoko a nka onam ndwana num se do odwana num kire Ghana yi wahu se odo nsa hyehyɛ amanfo num amenne obi ahyase a otintasi kokko kyerɛ hwe 751 million ena wonko a one person enipa baakofo wonko a wunyaaye wonko a just a single individual wonko a aban ne betena konwa so emfie enwotwe no in 6 years because the last 2 years ya ma contract in just 6 years in one sector only with only ECG for sika wonko a wonsa so mu ene de da ho 751 million Ghana cedis na wo de ye kan oso begu so no waka ene kwasi plat na okwatra na wana okeka nkwasi asem a na ohwe wanim na osere enam views so ana ope no ene wa ba bonten oso yare abuzabutie bi yo Kenya Japan no ankasa na damfu kwasi plat aba bonten ne I say MPP for should pay attention. Now more bunko disikachi. Na nyesa ebeyi bodamu ni manaba be di party na nim. Kwasi prat na kaye ono ankasa na damfo. Obanyansani obanyansafo ye bunu be na yenka na sem. Se kwasi prat kan sem bi eti say ya. Now you are talking about Dr. Bawumia and Kennedy Agyapong. Enyame na was whom he is referring to. Osi MPP should be very, very careful. Enye sa, ebedi sikachi akwa kuyi bodamu ni amana bedi party na nim. Enye mina meko kwesi prat na eka. Mimi Ivan Sankama Kofi, mwakwa ba iye pa. Kwesi prat, Kennedy Agyapong no ankasa na dam fose. Osi papana bodam. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia oyo hiani beto ni munyansa. Onu ne gina hot is MPP ni said ye nim se MPP for suni or mobile etie. On my examples bebre nyanto wase mebo video natural but ma minju twem kakra. Temiye pa. Kwasi practice MPP for mo anhwe mu ho ye na mu kodi sika achi a mbekwa akoyi bodamu ni manaba bedi manim te se party leader ensenem fatama party no because titibrem na ye board the leadership of the MPP party na ye bomb for omo ye intellectually elite na omo ni mu nyansa omo adwene mu abie omo ye open to any type of discussion or more solutions to it. Okaya kan kosi say adubuahe the first presidential candidate for the party. Da or candidate, you know, say, oh no, or person candidate of the party. But ne kai kitano kuranen timi mfani mfira kra, mfani mkoko foridua. And so, enam nim dia ne woni muntino. MPP for to aba man babaye the flag bearer of the party. Enti kwasi praso ya MPP ni now ye delegate. Now kwa to aba ni bia. Mi aba ma. Dwene nipa o nyansa. Enkofa bodam ni bia. O party na asan ama ni sika. Na odi di nkwa asem wo so. Osan kan se Adolf Hitler kura no. Ye dan ye to aba na yi no. Adente ye to aba. Because na oye den oye or the hate any bedi German so ewie ye no de na si ye and na me no ka say ubo Adolf Hitler e wo German ni bia ni ma na wadwa enipa odi otan or the hate speech ene nkwase akeka na epe akonwa kase bi etese presidency atnaso sa nipa no wabodam nyamena mika o nyanto bwase ma me dabi enkese me na meka me de mintumi nka asem bi se mu aduru eye Kwasi Pratt Junior Kennedy Japan no ankasa na damfo na eka na mehwe abrante we ni video na ochirem contract ahodo a Kennedy Japan nsa so manda the MPP party na otimi sambe gina bontre ka kire Ghana for say MPP amanyokuo no ayi grassroots ama omo grassroots na me say ene bia na asama na Kwasi Pratt kan ebetimi aye no krema na ye me maame akuya afro me mo akwa papa afro papa bi temi ye pa me ye the comparing of these two things no na me say no asemi ya Kwasi Pratt kan onye all that wrong because wabenya mfaso we nyina e de free party baakum na utimi sori akire ochina ekogina baabi eton party ni wrongly e de ma amanfo e kan semfo fa party no ho a kire me se na nke ya ye me se asema Kwasi Pratt kan no onye mistake. It is very true. Now say asem na Kwasi Pratt ka kire people for no correct because it will take only a madman to complain after ononkwa oni na busuamfo only one sector of government institutions in 6 years. What to me a win contract and a sum na 751 million. You should be mad. You should be what? I was so more damo kakra. And so what me about Bontan be complaining. Say MPP amanyoko no amawhe. Me even Sankama said the problem is Mahama and his NDC. That is why Ken thinks he can become president, my brother. Me must be me mwakwa pa. I want to say. But what me ye pa? Any port to me transinya 751 million from only one sector of the government institution. Necessary any party to me transi say party no eyi ni nkrofo ma emo juma. Now I stand to believe say that person is somebody who is actually really suffering from mental weakness and a mental sickness. The best word that I can use. Mama, it has been a while. Hope you're doing very, very well, and I thank God that you are here. But you tell me, pa, second inquire from just the ECG, the energy sector. Ononkwa tuminya sika tutu sika dodo we efiri ho. Na osambe ka kire say MPP amanyoko ni MPP amanyoko no omo omudi animu ene omunye ni papa omuyi dom party ma ema kan hu se papa no dwirim bi abehye ne tim adwem boni bi wo ne tim ade bi wo ho a enkoyie ma no enti de Kwasi Pratt kan ya me baba wa kire no all chere wo MPP ni say koto abapa eni sika chi nkoyi bodamu ni emma ne medi party na anim no me de asem we e compare metimu se Kennedy Japan asem na oka Michael Hubert me mo akwa ba ye pa temi ye pa because me bema the whole leadership of the party, the whole frontliners of the party, the general secretary, the chairman of the party, all the regional chairmen, all the constituency executives, I don't think any one of them had a quarter of this sum contract. Temi fana temi ye. Enti se wona wanya sa contract we nyina na still oso wani anso de wunya we nyina chi enti yama medi party na nima na I think say you got some mental issues, very serious issues. O problem e wo mu emotion o problem da wo so eson pa na se wani bre ni greediness there on this world. There is no one that can beat you. Because as you come on constituency chairman, regional executive way, district wine. Obey Juma 75 years and Uncle Pondia Chayen, put no quarter of this money in your pocket. Mimo dia. But this is the reality. But the Nipana Wonya Sika Wayne and Anna catch us a buying them one nipa. A buying MPP, a buying M1 MPP for. Now them there ya the contract we man no who say the contract man nipa fufuro bia na wa ye ne bo na wa wuda office ho na wa dwa na oni amanfo e kontokwa wa betra ne TV so na tu na agu no na tu na agu before na nka ye the seat show pa nipa 5,000 to me kogu so 7,000 8,000 na egu so na ye ni age ene connectu na kohwe me channel we kura anwene ne sei enya views 3.24 no akotra sa na tu no so na odi amanfo atem na o chabo people with competence amanfo munima mamu na omobedi Ghana man so na omompese ombese one side them kwana enjoy na moye make sure say every citizen or the ability and intelligence obenya kakra no na papa ya sora kotena ho na meye campaign na we ya meye campaign e ba ne se na modern moma na djuma sa nipa no timi twa ne ho ne e ba be ka kire wo se eye akufo ado aban mom na empegan enhwe Ghana fo ma na ono no Kennedy Japan no contract ye wa aban no mu agi ni nyina abo ne bo one na yire ne ma timi gi contract akogi bi ma na yire Kennedy Japan yire wo hu ne campaign platform so da campaign do say na ye mu binum ya nye ne 2020 campaign do say na ya nye ne 2015 mu ammo ama party we ya nwene aba 2015 na me wo Ghana between two meme ye car ye de trotro elo do mi krom boys gum near the nam near the MPP fly ye we and what did I got even 0.0001% of this sum as a contract that be but and I'm so we Ghana near we MPP near who believe in the ideology of the party no and yet the obenya no bottom physical inti awonam Intimayam Fasika na ada wadwene. We have a serious thing to do as a country. Ya wanyeba bi wasi yamfan gugu foma. We will always and always suffer. Me mami Elizabeth Echa me mwakwaba. Francis Waka me mwakwaba. Ena me mami Rose Musa osu mwakwaba yepa. Kusiomba ya na wa like. Na wa share. Unsubscribe ya so na abo mwade na wa subscribe wa mamene yekweli. Temi yepa. Metimelo do me area hot boys go come na my yo mo fan ye didi ye kama na amanfo ye the MPP flag ahye ka ho ne ye de nam Just to what? Just because we believe we saw the AC ya Braje Kufobedi Ghana so we believe say Nana Danko Kufuado will actually repeat what J. Kufuor did. And in fact, Nana Danko Kufuado did not disappointed Ghanaians unless you are a greedy, hypocrite, and selfishness person. Unless you say you are greedy. You are greedy, selfish. And a more tremble be a case and another Danko Kufuado buying a money home. Because the roads that another built across Ghana is unprecedented. Schools across the country is unprecedented. Jobs, policies here, Papa di go akwaimu planting for food and job no. One district, one factory no. One constituency, one ambulance. Ene diaka a mintument na amuboni nyina. Aje se oyobi oye greedy no beke se yamfa sika ma mehye me bottom. Free senior education. Aje se oye greedy a wo pesika akitam dia show bottom. Now, we know what? So we a party back. Now we are really a party ni pa ankasa. We a krukru die pa. And yet you benya show bottom. Now mom no. The performance of your government. The impact o government no ebe nyawo nipa bra bom wo manum no. That is what is supposed to be what? Your enjoyment. And then I will say more ninja wo ho. Me no de nya akome mo akwa sanso na ma me Vivian Kuma. And me ya frempo me mo nyina akwa ba. Temiye pa. Being a party member or sympathizer of a party, it is not an avenue to generate revenues. Na be obusa wa mentwe brofo no nsan kakra. We a party ni ba. And your support no the party no. It is not because of sika ubenya free party no, but rather ideas and principles na party ni jina so di ye adwuma and no na wodi jina so support to party. Benke yako ya me say me nipa yi di obedie de be ma ne bo ahono ba abontene de be ma na fu be chenchene kakra eno na ye na ni da so. And no the nam so odi di party achi enye sa ono no party no oni achi nti ene de ye ma no nkodi animu na government business nyina emeto ni tables no ni side whom we should give this and whom we should not give this. Eno na papa na hwe afiri mo ho enti we delegate a ma wadwene mu na ho na mi Grace Donko pa kesi ene samowusu ma mo nyina akwa ba na Dolphin Bay ma wo nso akwa papa. That is all what this man is after you, after. So obenya kwanya no beye the manager of government business. Now all the contractor eye worthy. Wasisa ama ono enenema na omodi create their richness. Because the Kennedy said the ideologies of the party in TOD MPP achia. He should not stand anywhere to condemn the MPP presidency. Because they're allowed to buy in Ghana, my mono. It is unprecedented. It is unprecedented. And the person can question say, Sika wenyina papa wenya ya chino, osina ni nso, enti MPP for more modern. Now, nim the essere. Or the one coban this for. And then this if we to go na sum ye way no ye way na ye boni din na ye say ye kamfu dua foro no na ye kamfu achacha enti amamfo mo ye politicians or mo abene e wo politicsim na enye sabio your friend den konkonte bi o de be mo adi e na mo hwehwe no a mo ye ndisi for no they are making fun at you. Say, wow, look at this guy. You are selling out your own party. That means you are mad. And in TNA, many video we abro say, Kwesi Prata and Kasa say, Yen can check in Japan, so wabodam. yen kan kire ne say wa bodam eninti a oye de oye no enya me na meka o enya me na meka ekwasi prat na eka o se abodamfo binom edi sika epese omomaji MPP animonyam entena so na MPP should not allow that to happen. Eti mi bisa wo se de yewra Dr. Bawumia ene kenele Japan gina ho a hwan na edi tu ne ho se wo sika na hwan na ye na adwun se wo sika nti everything must to be on him. E Kennedy Japan. And even though Kwesi Pratt is a friend to Kennedy Japan, I can make a conclusion say Kwesi Pratt is referring to Kennedy Japan. And there is no doubt about that. And it's out here say this our contract we nyina edema papa we mo one man term no say video no mo antime o for the benefit of mo one man term no me pese mo ntie contract ahodo akene Japan nyaaye ewi a na me de Kwesi Pratt video no ato a so na watie. Listen to the number of contract akene Japan kwa in 6 years MPP aban na Nadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo a ene oboni dine a on to Sabino or the man who did it.
Ministry in a space of just 6 years. Now, my Baba Shasi contract a big kind. Yet the man in 2017 to supply 150 watt LED street lights, complete with arms, boots, nuts, and washers. Yet the man in 2017, CKPM 100 million 260,000 Ghana cedis. Contract Tosumiedu and yet the man in 2018 so supply conductors and pole top accessories. And no CKPM 54 million 260,800 Ghana cedis. And no yet the man in 2018 now so contract Tosumiensa. You can so one supply a pole top accessories. And no CKPM 20 million 424,250 Ghana cedis. And also 2018 now contract also 4 you can say on supply air conductors in 2018 CKPM 22 million 18,000 Ghana cedis. 2018 contract also 5 or supply air steel posts and CKPM 23 million 236,000 Ghana cedis. Contract also 6 and also you can say on supply air conductors in 2018 and Usika APM 71 million 383,200 Ghana cedis. Contractor at also 7 and or supply a LED bulbs and 2018 our contract CKPM 47 million 936,000 Ghana cedis. Contract at also 8 and no supply conductors and no 2019 year the contract in a man CKPM 22 million 400,000 Ghana cedis. Contractor at also a year 10 contractor at also 9 rather and no supply a electrical materials Sika APM 33 million 778,000 and also our contract no year in 2020. Contract at also 10 supply of electrical materials beam and no year in 2020 different companies no did you and no CKPM 30 million 483,300 Ghana cedis. In 2020 now, so yes, I am on the contracts. I have also 11. I will supply electrical materials and also different companies no use here. CKPM 26 million 302,800 Ghana cedis. 2020 na contract at also 12 or supply another electrical materials with different company. CKPM 25 million 219,200 Ghana cedis in 2020. Contract at also 13 and also supply electrical materials and also different company no use here. Sika APM 40 million 273,400 Ghana cedis. Contract at also 14 supply of electrical materials 25 square meter PVC AL conductor and no CKPM 40 million 720,000 Ghana cedis. Contract at also 15 supply of electrical materials and no way a company Mina Dro Ventures Sika APM 42 million 935,380 Ghana cedis. Contract at also 16 Yes, supply of electrical materials. Our company we cat so said limited were used to pay. And also CKPM 47,202,856 Ghana cedis. Contractor at Tosto 17. And also yeah, demand 2020 and also supply electrical materials. CKPM 42,825,404 Ghana cedis. Contractor at Tosto 18 and also supply street lights 150 megawatts. Sika APM 19,939,200 Ghana cedis. And we had demand 2022 contract means happen when 19th contract and no supply street lights and no use different companies. KPM SI 19,897,680 Ghana cedis in 2022. Contracted also 20 and no supply LED street lights 150 megawatts and no use different company. Sika APM 19,903,480 Ghana cedis in 2022. So total 20 companies contracting. Okay, can Sika APM ebomam 752,380,958 Ghana cedis nipa ba kope on any yere enema. And on when they were young and channel, did say a kufuado appointees. And a neglected grassroots for them. One and a minister or appointee or CEO when you are even 1% of this. Meanwhile, attack your incited grassroots against they use their meager salaries. Salary almost a month's salary to 30,000 Ghana cedis. And no more they share grassroots for no. When I see Catchy deal with, and they are park or to cast a CC are dying, and the year girls, we are who try home be blaming other people. You see, up our own cost on your side, cheap politician. We will expose him. I will bring the rest. And I'm asking.
Tawate, it way the Agyapong Kwan and Sakaye from the energy sector. TNE, and yes, I don't know. Just from the energy sector. And Tinipa way, ever country or MPP for MPP for Asema, leadership of their party, no, Emma MPP for Jumanya. Just look at this guy. Neyere, ma tian on na mona uhunu campaign platform so I just say osresre na no wine na osresre che Ghana for na ajimi fo mi no so muhu oba akoko da omuhu na say profe say bam ajimi for listen to what she got 42 million Ghana cedis contract ajo be no mami wa ya MPP buy MPP amanyoko Ajuma ben na sama amena enkwasiafo na omo pe anwamo adi na omo akoto nkwasiaba no omo hu na omo se kutu se bam no sama ameno ajuma ben wa yam people ono nko atumnya 42 million contract ye ka mo so mayenka enti Agyapong di nsemfu we nyina after wanya de wanya nyina na kwasi prate hwe no Evans afena me ba wasem no so even say, how can someone who don't believe in the ideology of MPP yet he wants to lead the party? Is it not madness? Mami Rose Kennedy is not fit for Ghanaians. Enti wuye udin semfo a wo kasa basa te say odwan a yede se kan ato ne mane ye twa ni ntini ba ko a aba nanim a opre. Unim se sa manfo ehwe. They are looking at your attitude. And ne kwesi prat ba bontena o se ye nkama Agyapong ntena ho se wabodam. Na MPP4 should not fall into the madness of Agyapong. Video no nietie. Enya me na me ka o. Me nka asem bi atisa o. Eya manfo na eka o. Ai, na damfo na eka. Muntie.
Enim se the bugri ene kwa dubu ai no. Edubu in the first was adwuma de be ye minya ka me ye mpese me ye na mo minika e betimi akokofo du asaba Edubu ahini Professor Edubu ahini o se ni ka no entumi nkokofo du na asaba ka wo aso be di presidential candidate ya chichiri MPP no odimu akutimi pa ene So we can't to me Kokofo Dran Samba. Who could find him will be a presidential candidate and now be chairman forever. Unya. And only and Sakraye via Abba. Pa. Nani weapon I didn't say Hupa. He be this sketches dark ruby. A debba. Bolemni pa ubi a wabodam pa baby. Bolemni pa baby the party chairman. When the party chairman will be the presidential candidate because always ka. Bolemni pa baby the party chairman. When the party chairman will be the presidential candidate because always ka. Bolemni pa baby the party chairman. When the party chairman will be the presidential candidate because always ka.
Dawate. Anyame na miko mama ya mama mwakwaba. Sawate. Hey, yes ye kamfu duafro na ye kamfu achacha. Entu na ma wo yo when I media I got the money. I got the money. I want to live, I want to be no be a woko president primus. You said they should call you president. Obi a friend of a primus so. Oko trap papa we ne interview so we say I'm for president because you are president of the country. Once a panaba bonti say we bodam ni. Once also you bodam ni. What dey koso? Hey, I'm for your wiki though. Enti ya dada wa asumsum wa na wo danda ho na wo di nsɛmfo na keka nkwase asɛm wo kɔtra kɔ wo yani mo no yo so ye CPP ni how no kro melevu to be CPP man who to me kɔtra na nim ka kyerɛ ne say you want to be better than Kwame Nkrumah's idea, you want to govern like Kwame Nkrumah's ideology. How say kwa no kan asɛm na ye be kan asɛm bibi ha wa adwena na won kwase afo no ti media no so di atem no papa na ba be ka an so no de o kemu be gi adi an Kennedy upon crofo na me kan say na on be gi adi o si mu nipa no wa bodam one na atena di nkomo for more than 1.5 hours. He has gone through surgery psychological na di nkomo 1-on-1 and now say munim na moto abama sa papa na oye bodam ni ono kura twi no nto so bodam bodam ni we dey momento aso na yenti nsem e ko na nsem
Bodam ni pa ba be the party chairman. When the party chairman will be the presidential candidate pa ba be di Bodam ni pa ba be the party chairman. When the party chairman will be the presidential candidate because always ka I don't know who know because yeah we are say back somewhere and go for di omanpanin pay ko be di omanpanin pay and na wo mu din a awehusam ko na di ba Hitler say nye ku no di ba power Hitler ye to ne so ba enti na German for sambe no mu to ma Hitler Bolem ni complete.
Kwesi na ya certify say wa bodam.
Eh na yo ye more than ma committee ye fam. And dia Hitler ye ni yesi he. Na bodam ni e die. So be dio man pedi. Bebre wo ha ebetimi akeka asese ya bakosam abodam for completer. On be di man pedi. Na ne ye kono yanhwemi ya enche kwami
wezi
yanche benya bio
nyame pengu
bolam ni benya kwasampani
nyame pengu
na de ni akwewu
nti e bompa ni e ho adwuma
enya mpa bo
ye so ye ka bi
tisika sam no so na se ye koto aba yendwene obi a obetimi aye biribi pa e de amọ man no mebi ensusanso no ebi aka yen enu na se ye fapem ye sika wasikano sei bibiara o masa kwabi Osman Beke wanya no bi akwaji manu asiboni so sa na ese mekano
Mr.
ye share politics yasi penimfo anu mo de da amanu ko da no uko MPP Ashanti Dr.
Ajianto basenete yi o One says a campaign, no. Said the Sikono. A second in the Japan, microphone or Moasi, and some of them want to support him. So this man is what they say, because a automatic say MPP is going to win the election 2028. And no automatic. And the akwa your tihui. Osro. Osro say MPP for kwa papa bi or no consider so ye bodam ni adenti o wiska. Te da semla papa ne kano. Enti mene wo ayeti hai. Siasi kene Japan ne Dr. Bawumia omumu baako e wo sika. Whom do you think that this man is talking about? Wankasa ujejireje. Make the analysis and understand it by yourself.
Don't go for you and the Dibano. Maybe I'm going to
First one, Dr. Harry Poku.
That means don't go for Dominion Mapa because no near Dubai you're close. Dominion Mapa only Nyam Fossa, not you door. Obiena no nyansankwa o menti so obiena no mafu bi pie fi na no and maza we dey samre no who ka party leaders boy no abo BJ Darocha
Odoi Sykes.
maza
Okay, Odoi Sykes.
Peter no
Peter Ala Ajete.
ayi emofra na wobu no samre no dambotwe no
Alaji Munufie.
wuti din no kura ma wonkran shaka
Alaji Mahama Idrisu.
Ajeni pakitwa o
Dr. Kwareje. KSP Jantwa.
Kodjombo tio
Obeda Samwa.
So ukwa NDC kura nukura nenda for Munufie no
Isi Fwali.
Captain Kodo Chikata no ni ade otia Masa nde bobodi ni entie bobodi ni entie ejiri bi owotia na wura ho
Untimi mbo ayeso yetimi mo. The can anyway.
ene ejiri bi owotia etutu ana bi sa se na ekoba ni sei ana masa kwami ene se ni pasa o ni pa den san na mbom dodo no sempo ani omboto eno ni asam no atitru no omo dwun mu do omo beti aye adwuma no sempo anda ni boto na dey sempo ni persuasion ni dey ya dey na bi nda boto be dey no ti wadwin ni wa dream pa enu adwuma pa ni dey na ya tuagu ni akofa sabio tafrache nyado sabio tafrache nyado
Antoaso
na mentwaso ene ni besi ho ni je so ni so bitie wasem
Opensi baby awadu no your reparations na bra mentwaso
ebi ho na ni what you see na gana be dey fa kwa yakudi na boni bempa na gana maya obi susese onu hwa no ho a obetumi abidi anim asembe ni dano na me kama sankwa me na me gana is 35 million 35 million uhwemu a Ghana 35 million in Mupa. Professor Agyapong no oti hayo. Oka 35 million no ho.
Oka ho.
Ana onka ho.
Aka ho.
Atabritum, professor of French. Atabritum adia wa ye wo Ghana ha. UCC ngoma wa tro.
na minian so professor French UG
Hey, cheso mu fiom suma no.
Na masa
mu fi mampon nse bonkru
topic ben ne wo wiase ha wontumi ni Atabritum nka o kasa wi a wo yam nhihyew. Ebra Atabritum di 18 no mo ye conference bi University of Ghana and of friends be ko kasa. Na professor bisu ye friend so me kasa. Na professor no shase no se onu na mani hu na wo wiase nyina ni se ya friend so me kasa.
Enti abusianfo se de kosi ya no ai some people for man hwe yi a mo bekwa koyi bodam ni amana ba be di monim a obeye potential president for the republic obanyansafo ye buni bene yen kana sem tio akwa wo ye okasa yi na damfo pa ne Kennedy agyapong one ne bokosi atafre onim se papa na adwene no bibi kamu no ono ne kochi Kennedy agyapong se omra bonten ema expose MPP inner issues during the 2024 election. Ono ane kan ye me video ha me bo akyerew o si NDC for da bia o mo ba peko general elections a obohwe MPP na o mo akope nipa o mo dwene se na adwene ye week kakra na o mo atwene de na bene MPP NDC amanyokuo no na o mo amana kan semfon e de afa MPP ho said the beya Ghana 40 or mobile because of believe say MPP neighbor be can born the fa and this MPP ho a easy say a man for a bejiatum more than say MDC ni bejina ho aka de ensenem fata e de afọ MPP ho kwasi prat na kan no anka se na numa sem enti bisa ho say e ba ne say na all of a sudden obi osi ope president yadie ope fragbella die otimi begyina ho na opresi mahama na oka asembone e de fam PP ho abra osi oye party member na ye ko campaign a na odim obanyansafo yebu ne be na ye nka na sem fatu otimu ye pa papa no anim de fo atranse hu se bibi ha papa no ade bi o ho a ekoso papa ne tima it doesn't sound well. Said the Miriam Evans Kaye Obi also MPP ni, you want to lead the party, but you don't believe in the ideologies of the party. Is that not madness? Dollar man, Memoakwaba pa, Sefa Samuel, Osi Oheye from Morovia, Ewo Liberia, Ochiane Yere, Joyce Boama, Ewo Kwawu Bepon. Aye. Joyce, ukunusi Ochiapa. I wear the greetings from Africa. I will say, ento aso ye koyanim. Nsem na ye kan enye nsem ketwa o. Nsem na ye jagu mu ha no, me bra samoroku na me mo akwaba. Nsem na epiepia bonten ba no ene ano a efiri mu ba no. It makes a lot of sense. And me, as personal opinion, it makes me worries. Because as some way papa we ye ka kire se watete nsem bi no mo underground a bia mene wo ye nim. Wa hu ne ba bi e koso underground a me bia mete ha mi ntumi hu. Charles Prempe mo akwaba. Wa hu ne ba bi ono ankasa hu a bia ye nya hu ye. So this thing worries me. But all I will ask every delegate and I say, Asaman kwasi pratika ye. Fatu koto dwem ye pa. Na jira no so koto aba kese fama yewura Dr. Bawumia because osan ka kire wo se enam sikanti no enim difo a omo ho mbetimi adi party na nim no. Wan hwe ya ne ankwa nkoto aba mfa ma woni akwa koto aba ma obi osi owo sika a obetua sika de amawo said Ibrahim Mahama ye ya ene ya mani diplomatic passport wi ene Ibrahim Mahama kita diplomatic passport adentia enam ne sika ntino otumi sponsor NDC party ma ya ba power etino kita diplomatic passport. Okuja tabra kwa na be announce ye friends and family. Say Ghana for ye di aduane achi dokono emo anwa achi akoto ababone akofa nipa bia besi ye komo a promise your promise ye nyina from zero to Z wa failing nyina just in 9 months he has shown how incompetent he is. As the MPP for ye disika chine so ye koyi command bi so medi anim. Said the question practical but them need be so medi anima. Then where is Ghana going to be in the next 16 years. Ehena ede o man ko. Kakra bi ede be ma wo. Sabio asie bi ebe wa wide ama wa di ana. Asie kakra bi wa wide ama wa di nti a wo koton wo da ache wo man na wo na wanom da ache ede ahye obi nsam. Anya hwe, you see history repeat itself. But don't be the person to make the history repeat itself. Yenya bodam ni pen. Yenya bodam ni pen mana bedi Ghana man so pen. Yenya bodam ni mana bedi German so pen. Yehu de si ye. 2028 no, MPP is going through because Mahama has failed already. Enti abato na ukoto no 31st January no. You are choosing a president for your country. A 100 Ghana city and convince you. Don't allow 300 Ghana, 1,000 Ghana city to make you make a decision. Wakumba mu ompe. Ya we yene di mu se ya. Ne akofa tintin trintin. Yahwe ya ne akofa tintin bi abetra yen so. Thomas Manfo say, brother, if you are talking, talk well. Kennedy Japan is fighting the youth. So don't sit there and talk anyhow. I don't mean the opposite. Say, I don't know if you want to say he's fighting for the youth or you want to say that he's actually fighting the youth. George Echo attacking me mwako abapa. Meaning what you want to say, Thomas. But enipa na say all koma wono. Sa nipa no. Aban fufuro na etwa mu no. Ono nko a aban contract and nsa kan ye 751 million. Pras. Wona o se okoma wono. Die na ode ma wo. Die na ode ma wo. Wona wo se okoma wono. Employment ben no create ma wo. Na enya bia Thomas ye. Why the country say ya buying the creating nyuma ma amamfo nya biye. Temiye Thomas. Meme tia brochire. Minim se bi so na wo so tia brochire. Bisa ho say companies e wo man mu. Man ya wotim. I don't know where you live in. Thomas, o man ben out so. Companies e wo ho no. E ya hefo dia. E individuals omo de anase e o man ne adwuma ena wo ye ena kom eya abane na esi company na anya bia me bisa Thomas ye o man na wo no enipa dodo sen ena mo ye adwuma de ma o man no mu aban no Ghana adwuma ye fo nyina ye 2 million omo ye adwuma ma Ghana aban 2 million pepe police fo ne fire service ne ho ko mo nyina omo ye 2 million me o say Anthony Mwakwaba. Bacho tie mi pa. Mama te me da se. Yeah, mama am say my boss video no kura wo ha. My boy no ha dada. But am say na onya maaye. Bacho tie dem kan pa. Thomas ya wo see Kennedy fight the man. In which manner is Kennedy fighting for you, the youth? By securing contract for himself? Is that the way that he fight for you? Are you actually sure, say, the papa ye na wunti or kwana? Unim so any party from Pemfo na ekun because of the honor where I am farmer. No? Bra, don't let people deceive you. Na so man for deceive you. They will use your brain to do exactly what they want for their life, but not for your life. Energy set nkwa. Wa wutie me. Kennedy nkwa. Nensaka 751 million contract. Unya saying. Say na unya Thomas ube defend Kennedy Japan ohai. Kwambe so no fight ma so anu so ntumi nka. Ma bo wa bo se bo kwan ya wa fa so a okoma so ntumi nka. Me ma me grace don come mo akwa aba. Yempese be kan sem nyina o. Eya ne aka bi ahye. Eya ne aka bi ahye. But the warning I'm sending out to them say, the delegates, you should be very, very, very vigilant. Mama yemfa 300 Ghana medadamo, 200 Ghana medadamo, 1,000 Ghana medadamo. Mama yem kotoa ba. Say the kwasi pratika obi owo nimdia ni nimdia ni nsu nsanso no. Ehom frama bebo afa me ho ene wo ho. Enye de obaji ahye obotom. Enye de yeji hye obotom nti ekoto aba. Ene na ndisi fo no koye ya ene ame no kasai. Esun ene awerehwo ena ndisi supporters omudi nene. Mistake na ndisi supporters koye ya ene omo ahye ase omo su omo ya abanyeju omo akatua ma ono ma wo ye yanka ne se party hooligans omo dwene se nkebe form adwuma yem form adwuma no. That is the same thing that Kennedy Japan is doing. He is using the same tricks and this for the dada more the dada Ghana for the disgrace the image of Nana Danko Akufo-Addo mamukoto abafono. That is the same strategy that this man is using. Amen kan unity ni ye. Yes, if you who ye na bodam ni bi di sika be wura MPP party no mu. George Echo attacking. I say the information is Kennedy Japan supporters and NDC supporters. And to this Kennedy Japan crowd for they are working for their party. Many of them are Marikwa Bodu ye Kennedy Japan camp. Or NDC ni kese. Ye who so ye campaign man DC. Be do MPP prime minister Kennedy Japan or denenam. Edru some people for ye koto abadi ye kan difo a Maria Makwa Bodu or ne Kennedy Japan enam. But ye ko general election or ye campaign demand DC. Anyo himanye example the amount. So what are we trying to do? Are we trying to praise somebody on the servo, say a party, ye be president na. Enti abusia asemo ya for the first time, we a second time Kwasi Pratt Junior Kenyans asem. The first asem nyansa oka ye ne say MPP for year juma ewo education sector during the 2024 election. Enti na usen MPP for nye campaign kese with the education sector. Be sabre no na Kennedy Japan no ankasa ni spokesperson Kwasi Kwaten ena mischief na omo plan ntino adwuma na de ahye ne nsa se omo education adwuma Akufo-Addo aye no omo ho dawuro no wa mo sa dawuro no sa time no ena Kwasi Pratt kan nyansasem for the first time. The second nyansasem a waka ne ene se o se bodam ni bi kitasika edi 1 PP raise no ma opa akwanya ba be di Ghana anim na o se Ghana ni bi anye den ensuro na se yekotra ho ma papa we be di MPP anim a it is likely say sa bodam ni no obekwa kodi Ghana anim na so di Ghana anim so a ochena bi yebesisa yensa de aguyeti asu atetiam se Nyankopɔn bone ben ene akofa e de abeto ye ho so ma men sense so biem na tie ne se Kwasi Pratt ye kana Japan and Ramfo ono ne di nkomo ono ne transi di nkomo. They talk deep into what analyze the psychological mentality and the status of Kennedy Japan mental health. Enti nya no modwa na odwa wo nya ntro na odi kire wo. He knows what he's talking about. He knows how dangerous that man is. He knows how inconsistency and any brain no enye. It doesn't stay at one objection. It moves right, center, front, back. Any pasano, ya mani nkudika ni padomanim. Ya dinim dieni nyansa, eni ahobrasye, eni edi domanim.